Hey guys, William Ryan here from Optimal Advance. I actually had to redo this video. Well, I was already recording for like 20 minutes and realized that my mic was off. So we're going to have to pick it back up here. This is what you guys are going to see, or where we're going to start. So currently right now I'm in a short on Ethereum. Okay, and the reason behind this short is because of the ICT bearish fair value gap and the ICT bearish breaker. Okay, so as you guys can see, we wicked right through the fair value gap and into the body of the order block, and we have closed back inside the fair value gap. Okay, this is a good sign for our bearish narrative, but what we have to keep in mind is we are 48 minutes after the news release of FOMC. Okay, we're almost 50 minutes after the news release. And so what does that mean? Okay, the longer that we're in a trade, like the longer the duration of the trade, so every passing minute that you're in a trade and price is not expanding or moving to where you are expecting price to be, the odds of our trade go down significantly. Okay, so there's another little gem for you guys. So basically, I'm going to be doing a lot of these videos, okay, taking you through my trades, taking you through what I'm expecting in price. I'm going to be screen recording the whole experience, so then you guys can watch, listen to my thoughts, and then ultimately ask questions in the comments. And make sure, guys, let me know if this is kind of content that you guys would like to see. I'm not too sure how many YouTubers are currently doing this kind of stuff, where they actually execute the trade and then are with you through the duration of the trade. I think this is very, very beneficial for the community. I think this provides a lot of value, especially to new traders who are studying smart money concepts, aka ICT's concepts. So I really hope this content helps, and it's going to be good too. So I'm going to be seeing these trades through until results. So what that means is I'm going to place my stop loss, I'm going to place my take profit, and we are going to let the trade breathe and let the stop loss get hit or the take profit get hit. Okay, I'm going to manage my emotions throughout as best I can for you guys, and it'll be good for you guys to see someone who's been trading for multiple years get their stop loss hit and see how they react and see their mindset and their attitude after they take a loss. Okay, because if you don't have your mental faculties in trading, things are going to be very, very tough. So going through this experience with you guys and having these experiences are going to be very, very beneficial for you guys, especially the newcomers into the business. And I'm just super excited. I really think that these videos are going to be the way that I'm going to lean. We will see, right? As my channel just started, I kind of got to dip my toes into different avenues, right? But just make sure, guys, leave me a comment in the comment section to communicate with me, give me some feedback. Do you guys like these videos? What else do you guys want to see on this channel? I'm open to any feedback, right? Yeah, so as of right now, I'm just kind of going to be quiet and I'm going to watch this unfold. If there's anything that comes to mind that I need to let you guys be aware of, then I'm going to obviously pipe in and say something. But for now, I'm going to be quiet and watch price as this trade unfolds. So sit back, relax, guys, and enjoy the price action. So the one thing I would like to see is I want to see us get back below this fair value gap in here. That would be ideal. I don't want to see it come back above one more time. I want to see price close below this fair value gap and then start to attack the sell side liquidity. Right? If we close above this gap on this 15-minute time frame, then the probabilities of our trade panning out is going to go significantly down. Okay, so we don't want to see price close above this fair value gap. We want to see price start to expand lower here. We only have like an hour and a bit until the PM session ends. So if we don't start expanding soon, then more than likely our stop loss is going to get hit. But obviously right now we're still in this gap, so we'll see how it plays out. Alright guys, so in 5 minutes this 15-minute candle is going to be closing. Alright, we want to see price start to expand. We want to see some form of expansion here. Okay, specifically closing back below this fair value gap here. 3 minutes. Okay, we want to see this candle close below this fair value gap. Right, we've spent 15, 30, 45, an hour, so 60 minutes roughly in this area here. So we want to see price start to expand here. Right, so the liquidity pool that we want to be targeting, or that we're going to be targeting if it gets hit at all, is going to be these equal lows in here. So this is our first target. We're going to want to take partials off, so I'm going to take around 20% off of the position if and when we get below here. Alright, so after this low gets taken, like I said, I'm going to take 20% off the position. Okay, and then my stop loss is going to go to break even. And then we'll let the rest of the position run for the higher time frame targets on the hourly and the 4 hour. So this is what we want to see here. Yeah, okay, so we just closed below. So my stop now can go above this high. What are the... Okay, so my stop is above this high now, right? There's no reason for price, if we're going to be bearish, to come back above this high. And if we do come back above this high, we're going to be wrong. Our trade idea is going to be wrong, and that's okay. But we just closed below this fair value gap. We can come back up into the fair value gap, right? Tap it one more time, right? Accumulate orders, last stop, and then sell off for these equal lows. But this right here, this big down close candle, a relatively big down close candle, is exactly what we wanted to see. We wanted to see price close below this gap, right? Confirming, well, at least to me, that the bears are still in play. There's no reason for us to think that our trade is going to be wrong at this present time, and we are expecting, well, I'm expecting now this trade to pan out. See how that works though, right? Our stop loss, okay, was above here, was above this order block. Okay, our stop loss was above this order block, right? Once we came up and we traded down through this fair value gap, this range has worked. There's no reason for price to come all the way back up to this high if we're going to be right. Okay, so you can slide down your stop loss and assume that this high here is not going to get taken, right? So we're cutting our risk. We're managing our risk, which preserving capital is A, always priority number one, and then B is compounding capital. Okay, so we're doing a good job right now of protecting our capital, managing our capital, and we've also put ourselves in a good position to compound our capital, right? So see how that kind of works as well. Right, so we could come back up, tap this fair value gap one more time. Right, this up close candle here before that down candle now becomes a bearish order block. Right, so we want to see this order block hold price. Right, that is why my stop is above here as well. Right, now we have this order block in play. We could come up, stab into it one more time, and then sell off. That is completely okay. Right, it's the first 4 minutes of the 15-minute candle. Right, so this is the manipulation potentially of the 15-minute candle. So as you guys can see, we popped back up into, probably see it a little bit better, right? This fair value gap here, right, overlaps with the higher time frame fair value gap on the 15-minute, and on the 1 minute we have one as well. So price comes up into that, and so far we are rejecting, which is what we would like to see. Guys, let me know in the comments too what pairs you like to trade, what you guys trade. I'd be interested to hear what all of you guys prefer in terms of asset classes to trade.